Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to enter the settings icon, so let's tap on it. Now let's tap on languages, which is at the top of the list, and here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. Of course, you can scroll and find it, or you can simply enter the name of the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. Now we can choose the keyboard types, and basically the amount of them depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 5 or 7 different keyboard layouts. So just mark the option you'd like to use, just like here, and tap on Done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the languages list. And before I'll show you how to remove the language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So let's go back to the keyboard, and here we've got 2 differences. The first one is visible right now, it is highlighted, and we've got also the instructions. So the globe icon is responsible for changing the keyboard layout after tapping on it. So right now we've got, let's say, this English layout, and after tapping on the globe icon we can set the another one, which is more the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, which is extremely useful, especially if you've got the layouts which are really similar between the languages. So now all you have to do is to remove the previous one. So let's enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here in this list we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language you want to remove, and tap on the trash bin icon. And this is how it works. We've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.